Welcome back to Woodworker Express, and today we're going to be talking about the WE Preferred front locking devices made for the WE Preferred Undermount Softclose drawer slides. So when you're ordering the WE Preferred front locking devices, you're going to have two options. The first option is going to be the 2D model, and the second option is going to be the 3D model. So first, we're going to be talking about the 2D model. 2D. The 2D front locking device has two sets of adjustments. One that moves the drawer up and down, and one that moves the drawer left and right. Simple as that. And now the 3D model. And yep, you guessed correctly, the 3 stands for a third adjustment. So now not only can you adjust up and down, left and right, but now you have the option, which is my personal favorite, to adjust the drawer in and out, which makes this WE Preferred front locking device perfect for inset drawers. Another excellent feature for these front locking devices is how they are installed. You can install them with the screw holes from the top, or you can also screw them in with the angled screw holes as you see here. As always, if you have any questions at all or need help with your order, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Our number is located at Woodworker Express.com, and someone there will be more than happy to assist you with your order. We'll see you next time.